In this video, I'll show you how to fix if you have problem connecting to the internet, the Wi-Fi, with your Galaxy Tab A. So I'll have a few tricks, but let's start with one that works most of the time, is to go into the settings, open this up. Then you need to scroll down until you see General or General Management. Tap on it. And now while you see Date and Time, tap on this. And make sure that automatic date and time is turned on. If yours is turned off, I don't know how, but this can cause problem with your Wi-Fi. So make sure it's turned on and then try again and maybe your Wi-Fi is working. So turn this on and hopefully this will solve your problem. If not, a simple trick is to reboot your tablet. All you need to do is to keep press the power button. Mine is here, but maybe yours is on top. Keep it pressed during a second until you see this screen and press the restart button. Press the restart button again and the tablet will restart. It will take a minute approximately and hopefully again your Wi-Fi problem will be gone. While this is restarting, I can also talk to you about another way you can solve this. Maybe the problem is not your tablet, but the Wi-Fi router of your house. What you can do is to unplug it from the wall, leave it 15 seconds, don't do anything, and then plug it back. Many times this will actually work. If this didn't work, you can also go back in the settings and make sure you're under connection. Tap on your Wi-Fi here, and where you see current network, let's say you have selected this one but it doesn't work, you can tap the small wheel here. And now on the bottom here you can tap forget, and you'll have to reconnect again from scratch by selecting it and entering the password. Once you enter the password, just connect, press connect. And hopefully again, this will solve your problem. If not, there's another trick that I've seen people doing, and it actually working sometimes, is when you go under connection and Wi-Fi, there's the toggle here on off for the Wi-Fi. All you need to do is turn it on and off. Do this during at least 30 seconds non-stop. Whoops, I turned the Bluetooth on and off too, but do this again during 30 seconds, on and off, and then turn it back on, and maybe it will work this way. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, maybe even a comment, and I will see you in the next one.